Greetings! Welcome to Daika's Car Toy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have another beautiful vehicle that we gonna unbox today. And but before I gonna start doing that, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support. And please, if you're new on my watching on my channel, if you like it, please subscribe. At the same time, hit the notification bell and please press the thumbs up. Okay, let's start on our program, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Today we have another beautiful vehicle to open box. We're gonna unbox this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Beautiful vehicle. Nicey, nicey. Okay, before I gonna unbox it, please watch the turntable. It's turntable time, and at the same time, some short program that I'm doing. Okay, let's show it to you first. This one is 1969 Chevrolet Chevrolet Camaro Z28, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. It's a yellow. I think this one is if I'm not wrong, this kind of vehicle was being used on Transformer. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Bumblebee. There you go. This is the back of this box. Oh, not back. It's one of the side, but back of the vehicle. There you go. That's what I'm meaning. And this is the other side. Nicey, nicey. Beautiful. Okay, let's unbox this beautiful vehicle. Let me get my special scissor. There you go. I'm always reminding every time posting something. Please. You know what? If you have any sharp object, please be careful and always point it away so you won't be stab yourself. And if you're done using it, don't forget to put it away. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Do we still need the scissor? I think nope. Okay. Let me pull this beautiful vehicle. Ay! What's that? Okay. Scared myself. The whole car is in the platform, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Ooh, I take that one off. I'm gonna put it back. Pum, 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 pum. Beautiful. See? The whole platform of this beautiful vehicle, how they made it. And I said, earlier, because I feel something that I pulled something. And this is the one. So let's see if I can put it back. There you go. Fix. Okay. I'm excited. I'm getting excited. Sorry. It's me. And to able to take, see, there's a platform on it. Nice. I love it. Okay. Let's take it off on the platform so we can check this beautiful vehicle. Let's see, always need our special screw. Oh, there are 4 screws right now. And I think I need the Philip. The plus. The small one. There you go. Found it. Wow. Okay. Remember, lefty Lucy, righty tighty. There you go. There's a 4 screw that we need to undo on it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So please bear with me. Usually they have only 2. This is the first time I encountered 4 screws. So gonna take us a while, few seconds, or there you go. Two more. Okay, almost there. Almost there. If you're excited, I'm excited too. I'm more excited. Beautiful. If you can see, the platform of this vehicle is nice. It's ready to display. There's no glass on it, but I'm you. If you want to display, keep it on the box. And just every time you want to take it off, you can just take it off in the box, and you have four screws to take it off. Let's see. Oh, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, there's another four screw holding the vehicle itself. Okay, but we need to take it off. Put the platform away. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there's another four screw over there. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, if you can see this one, that's why it's. I think I need a bigger one. Okay. Huh. Huh. Uh-oh, we're gonna have problem, ladies and gentlemen. This thing, it won't come off. Oh! They put it too tight. Why? There. Ah. There, I take off one. Oh. Let me separate it, so I'm gonna know which in which. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, if you can see what I'm seeing, ladies and gentlemen, that's why they put it the platform like this, because the detail. Wow, I'm getting more excited. Okay, that's done. And that thing, I think that's one thing I'm gonna show it for you first after I'm screwing this one. And they're tight. Lefty, lefty, loosey, righty, righty, tighty. If you know how I'm holding the, there, it's out. This one the side. Ah! I don't want to lose those screw. Put them in the side. And this for two. And we need that scissor again, so we can cut this tape over here. There you go. Thank you for staying with me and for your patience. Okay, let me close this first. Oh, there's something in there, that's why I cannot close. There. That one away. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, beautiful. The reason why I'm having hard time, see those, ladies and gentlemen? Ooh, you see that? Wow, nice, beautiful. I love it. Usually, I show last the under the chassis. That's why they have like that of platform, because they're protecting this one, ladies and gentlemen. If you can see that engine, the transmission, and the exhaust, the tank. Beautiful. And each wheel, they have their own suspension. Their rubber. You can see they're moving back and forth because of the suspension. Nice. And the wheels, ladies and gentlemen. They turn. They turn, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Beautiful. Okay. Let me show you the. I show the underneath the chassis already. So let me show you in the front, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Nice, beautiful. If you can see the detail, that one is 1969 Z28. You can see it over there. You see the. I think those are light though. See those two over there? I'm not sure. I never see this kind of vehicle in real life, but at least I have a model on it or replica, and I believe this one are the headlights over here, ladies and gentlemen. And see those things? Those are the holding the. Actually, look like the only decoration, but actually those things in real life, I believe, if I'm not wrong, please correct me. Leave a message. I think that's the hood latch. And if you can see, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful, nicey. And you can able to see. That's what I'm trying to say. If you're putting something on it, a detail, make it change the color so they're able to see it and appreciate it. Like this one. This is a small thing, but you can appreciate it. Is a windshield wiper. And behind on it, you're able to see the back mirror. At the same time, you can see the chair and the steering wheel on it. Let's open this beautiful engine vehicle. There you go. Oh, that's a lot of room over there. Anyway, this one was called for small black, the screamer, what they call it. Beautiful. That's a lot of space over there, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that's the air intake of air filter over there on the top. Sorry for that. Nicey. And you can see what over here, those black over there, I think those are for the AC. You know, the air is going to come in. There you go. Let's go on the driver's side, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. If you can see the tire, the rim, beautiful. And you have a side mirror over here on this side, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Camaro Z28. Let me open the door. Wow. See? I think this one is a manual, because you can see if you can see that like silver over there, that's the shifting gear. Beautiful. Nicey. Let me. Okay. Nicey. Beautiful. Oh. I love this car. Nice, beautiful. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the back. Same thing. You have 1969 the plate, and you can see at the same time the exhaust. See the bumper, the chrome, beautiful. You can see the stripe from here. I don't know why they usually the stripe go all the way in the roof, but it stop from here only up to the hood over there. You know what I mean? But that's the style probably. Oh, what's that? There's something in there. I cannot read it, too small. Let me open the trunk. That's the trunk. There's anything in there? Nothing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. Okay. This one is the passenger side, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Only the difference over there, there's no side mirror on the right side. Same thing, we see the tire. Beautiful. It got its own suspension and everything. Nicey. And the tires. Okay, this is the truth. Oh, I need to show that. I don't know what's that. There's a like square. Probably those are speaker over. You can see it. Nice. Beautiful. Wow. And one thing I like in this car, the tire, there's a good year on it, ladies and gentlemen. The 4 tire. And you can see the tracks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see if this one gonna roll. Let's see. It's rolling. It's rolling. Beautiful. Nicey, nicey. I love it. I love it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Come on, Trunks. And I just want to say, everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.